Hello everybody, this is Time Lord Broadcasting, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to code in JavaScript. So we're just gonna use Notepad here, and so yeah, JavaScript is a good language to learn at first, because it's very diverse. It could be used for a lot of different things. It can't be used for everything though, because no programming language can be used for everything as of now. But this is really good for making your sorry, I just made a fart noise with my hand. I'm so addicted to that. I have no idea why. It's mainly used for making your websites interactive. Um, but you can do tons more with it. So we're just gonna use Notepad because I'm not gonna use Code Academy Labs because I haven't took the time to figure it out. So what we're gonna do is if you want to say something like it's very simple. Like if you just want to say like "Hello World," you'd go console dot log. That's every time you want to say something. That's what you need to know for now. That's every time you want to say something. Then you have to make sure you put it in parentheses, and then you'd say "Hello World." And yeah, so that's how I'm I'm not exactly sure how I would show you how to actually make your browser say that. I forgot the key to put it in your browser or like the shortcut. So that's how you'd say hello world when you open something up. It's pretty simple. At least that's what I'm pretty sure. I haven't done anything that simple in actually a few months, so I forgot. So another thing that's important when you're programming is this is just like kind of an introduction. We can get to more difficult stuff later. Is if and else statements. So it's going to make an if, like this is kind of like Scratch, like if this happens, then do that. But if it doesn't happen, then do something else. So what you'd want to do is type in. I'll have something else besides Notepad next time, like Notepad plus plus or something. If, and then you're gonna want to make these, and this is like right here. You see this part? It's the not description, condition. So you if, and then you put the condition here. And if else statements, I'm not exactly sure what they would be used for, but I mean, I know what they'd be used for. You'd use them for a lot of things, like games. If you want to make a little word game, we can maybe do that in a few episodes. But so we're gonna if, and then condition is gonna be. Let me just make this full screen. No, that's kind of bad. Hold on. Just gonna make the window a little bigger. Never mind. So if. Oh no, first, sorry. I completely forgot the first things you need to know in programming. I forgot to say it. So if you want to make a variable, you just type it in. So we'll just make. Actually, we can do this. What should our variable be? We'll just make number. No, I spelled that wrong. How about num for number and then pancake. Yeah, pan for pancakes, I guess. I don't know. And then to make it equal to something, you just press the equal sign, and then how many numbers you want of pancakes. It could be. We'll just make it 4, and then go down. And then if you want to use it in a if-else statement, you can just go type if, and then the condition. Oops, sorry. I'm kind of used to doing this on a tablet, not computer. Okay, so, and then the condition will be, what should we make it? So if number of pancakes equals 7, how about we'll just do that. Then down here, or over here, you're going to want to type this It's like the squiggly bracket. Hold on, let me find it. Okay, there we go. You're gonna want to type the squiggly bracket. And oh yeah, by the way, a good place to learn code is Code Academy. Just yeah, it's a really good place to learn simple code like website designing code and database stuff. But I do not know. Make sure I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording because I've done that so many times. Where I'm yeah okay. So we're gonna do. And then this is where you put your code. So if the number of pancakes is 7, then we could console.log, then put these or parentheses there and say you have to make sure whenever you say something or whenever you have a variable you don't want to put parentheses around it, but whenever you don't, more hand fart sounds. To prove to you it's not a real fart, I'm gonna make it a lot of it. Okay. So you're gonna wanna put parentheses around like the thing you want to say, and you're gonna wanna, not put parentheses around variables. And you always have to make the variable equal to something, or else your code won't work. There's ways to get around that later, but so you have a lot of pancakes. A lot of food. Ugh. Okay, you have a lot of food. There we go. So, and then, but we have to make the else statement. So what you want to do is close the squiggly bracket. I'll explain this way more in detail in another video, and make sure the variable is not inside the squiggly bracket, because if you call a variable, you can call upon that variable in any time, like any time you want to call upon it. So like if you want to use it here and then use it like in another page of code, well, like obviously it has to be the same thing, but like you kind of know what I mean, I guess. If you don't, then we'll figure it out later. But you want it to be like you can call upon this variable anytime you want, basically. Of course, it can't be another like project, but you have to make another one. So you have to close the squiggly bracket, and you don't have to. So this is very simple language. So yeah. So if number of pancakes equals 7, console.log, you have a lot of food. Then close it, the squiggly brackets. So else is right. I like to put it one below, like right here. Wait, no, I like to put it right here, but you guys can put it. I'll just put it right here for the sake of the video. Else, so this is a lot of talking. It'll be a lot easier in the next videos. Else, you're gonna want to put the parentheses. Oh no, sorry. You want a console.log. And I'm kind of new to the programming community, so I'm not. If I say any terms wrong, just let me know. And then so console.log. I'll just put a sad face because you don't have any pancakes, or you have a lot more pancakes. So I'm gonna put the squiggly bracket, not squiggly bracket, parentheses. So, sorry. Sorry, I'm looking for stuff on my keyboard. Pretty sure that's supposed to be the other way around. Okay, there we go. It's a sad face. So there we go. So that's pretty much your first program. It's very simple, very easy. I'm probably going to make a lot of tutorials on this. So thank you guys. Bye.